Welcome. It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Businessman dressed as a Trump, and his surprise was great at seeing how his employees treated him. Restaurants and beggars are generally not best friends. In the center of big cities, it's common to see how many waiters dedicate part of their efforts to throwing out beggars who come to the terraces to ask for alms. Kobe Person is a YouTuber with almost 4 million followers who have served him to amass a not inconsiderable current account, all based on basically hidden camera videos. In the last video, he wanted to see how he was treated at a restaurant when he asked for a table dressed as a beggar. The result was almost worse than expected. He went to a restaurant and asked to see the menu, but one of the employees vetoed the entrance and invited him to get out of McDonald's. A YouTuber has started a shocking experiment on social media, posing as a bum to see how restaurant staff would treat him, in an attempt to demonstrate that appearances can always be misleading. New York-based Kobe Person tested the staff of a Florida restaurant before stunning them by revealing that he was a billionaire. In a 3-minute video, the 20-year-old can be seen approaching a restaurant while dressed in scruffy old clothes, carrying a large garbage bag. Kobe approaches a man and asks for a table for himself and his friend Ronaldo. With a polite tone, he asks if it's possible to see the menu. "This place is too expensive for you," says the restaurant employee. The restaurant employee, however, assures that he cannot give him a table because he believes that the restaurant is too expensive for him. "Sorry, we are not going to be able to, sir," he says, as he blocks Kobe's way to the restaurant. "This place is too expensive for you," he adds. Kobe Person insists and asks again if he can see the menu. "No," the man answers bluntly. "We cannot serve you. We are not going to serve you today." Even when the YouTuber tries to tell him that he has a lot of money, the waiter still refuses to serve him and says, "Can you walk away? Go eat at McDonald's or somewhere else, but not here." "I could buy this place just to kick you out. You're lucky," says Kobe Person. It's not the first time that the YouTuber uses the trick of the false beggar in his videos. A few months ago, he published one recorded in the New York Times Square, in which he asked passers-by a phone to call a friend. No one lent it to him, until finally a charitable soul agreed. So, the show starts again, not just with the Rolls Royce from the previous video, this time with 2 golden escort shots. The faces of those who saw the scene are a painting. The protagonist walks away from the restaurant and a wow is heard as he calls his friend Ronaldo. But when he starts to dial the numbers on the phone, the restaurant employee invites him to make the call outside the property. "Can you please walk away?" he asks. Suddenly, this Ronaldo appears driving a Rolls Royce that parks in front of the establishment. He gets out of the car and pulls out a suitcase from the trunk and hands it to Kobe Person. "I told you I had money. What's crazy is how you judged people with their looks. I could buy this place just to kick you out. You're lucky," affirms the YouTuber while he shows him some storage bundles of bills. Some of his videos are more disturbing, such as this experiment in which, with the complicity of parents, he created false profiles to see if he was capable of tricking minors into staying, and they all fell.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.